the Y66. It's now on our driveway. Got the square back on the road, so I'm using him pretty much daily. I've just emptied it out, so let's check out the interior. Original 66 seats, but he's got the covers on. So obviously he's had a few rips. Not just back covers. Nope. Bottom covers as well. They're quite cool. Back seats is good. Goodies it come with was a spare early fuel tank. Door cards. These are original again, but the plan is to put them in the garage, heat them up. May have to get new panel board in behind. They're savable. It's just a luggage mat. Spare engine bits. Now it was 6 volt converted to a 12 volt, which is good. But I've got an engine at the unit I'm going to complete. So all this pretty much spare. We've got here lap belts, pretty cool. Hubcaps, because I'll put the dome ones on. That's all the brake lines that's been removed. That's a good pattern, so I can make them. In the garage here. A few seals. Rear light lenses, I reckon they're about £8. Well, I guess. So that's the goodies it come with. Full service history, every receipt from new. Now let's check out inside. What I did find is water in the back here, so the rear screen seal is leaking. Not a problem. Pop out works a treat. So I think the best bet here, wire brush and treat. Let's go through the rust. Yeah. Now I was just thinking to myself, as you do, at the moment in the garage I have the Trekker, but as soon as the splitty comes, that'll be taking its place. So I think what will happen, get a good decent cover and unbolt the body and do the heater channels and floors, because the body's staying the same, not touching the paintwork, it's just too good for that. Awesome patina. One good thing I noticed, steering wheel on the correct side, which bonus. Being an early car, right hand drive, that's a bonus. Uncut dash, superb. Now you know I've got loads of Beetles in. For myself, I've got a 64 Beetle I'm keeping for myself. But this one here will be the wife's 66, so his and hers Beetles. But you can see there, welding and heater channel. But I've done nothing to this car since it's been sat outside. I thought today's the day even. Empty it, keep all the gear inside, and tackle the resto. Check out under the bonnet. Door shut pretty well. But yeah, the heater channel on the other side totally gone. I daren't open that door. Daren't open it. Bonnet needs a bit of work. But if he's undercover, I can take the bonnet off. His original 66 bonnet. Yeah, he's all weak. I've done a video, was it last year when I washed it? It showed all this. Probably deteriorating a little bit more. But a good little fix. But apart from that, happy days. I'll strengthen him in the middle. Never been welded. Spare wheel well. Excuse the wind in the background. There's a tank. He's all loose at the minute. But once the body's off, brake lines go right through it. And there's a simple wiring. Tail never been hit. original jack. Plate will have to go on somewhere. This cable's on at the minute. Front apron's perfect. There's a spill wheel. Originally dove blue, 66 colour. Look at the square back. Just loving the wheels. This morning, Lewis, son-in-law, helped me with the oil change on the Audi. Even the seagulls are happy with it, look. Can you hear them? I'll probably get her a roof rack, stuff like that. What's the mileage? It's showing 64,056. Now I have to go through the receipts whether that's original, but he has been off the road a while. Yeah, you can see the heater channel there, look. But now he's on the driveway. I've got happy days. Yeah, lovely. Real pop outs. Seal. Not a problem. See if we can lift up the deck head. Oh, sure. The engine trays are bloody superb. Get to clean all that. Even that's pretty solid. Apart from doink doink. Weld that up. That's the wife 66. I do love the early cars with a thicker chrome trim. Very nice. I've never ever done a full body off, so I'll bring you along the way. Any tips, just give us a shout. I know roughly, obviously I've brought beetles up, took the bodies off. I've got metal to brace them up. But I was going to patch this side even and do that side, but that's a waste of time. Get the body off, so he's lifted off. Got room to put it here for the day. To do bits on the chassis. Or on the odd day when the split is here, I can put this one inside the garage for the weekend and do the town. Yeah, on the weld here, so that's a good plan. That's the 66. Cool. So you can see underneath. I don't think he's ever been fully restored. You can see the pans there. Not too bad, the fronts. Original sticker that. That's a breakdown sticker. So it's good having the original door cards. I've got the window mechs inside and the original handles. Look at that, look, beauty. No, that was the original one. Rear light lens. Couple seals. The rear hood seal. Rear front wing. with them lap belts. Spare fuel tank. I'll pick out the best one, paint them up. But with that, thanks for all your support lately. More and more subs. I'm going to get my wife to help as much as she can now. See this air bug. The patina one we missed because she drove that pretty well. But I've always said this will be hers as well. And with that, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.